Hello, welcome to our latest money market update live here from Tehaleh. My name is David Sturm. I'm a local agent that works in the Bonney Lake area, everywhere from the lake to the plateau here in Bonney Lake. And I live here myself. I bought here a few years ago. If you want to save some time and money, some frustrations, and find the perfect house, then reach out to me before you visit. Just call the number below. Give me a call. We'll set up a time to have coffee, just have a conversation, help you out any way I can. If you're thinking about buying or selling into Tehaleh, I hope these updates help you make the decision a little bit easier. If you use me or anyone else, if you don't use me, use someone else here, that's fine. Just make sure you use a local agent, a full-time agent that's staying on top of everything. Just recently, all the forms got updated, so you want to make sure you reach out to a local agent, and glad to help you out any way I can. Anyway, if you've been here before, welcome back. If you're new, please like, subscribe, turn on notifications, send me a comment below. Love to help you out, answer any questions you have. So inventory remains pretty strong here in the Bonney Lake market. Still 142 homes that are available. 110 of those have been on the market for over 30 days. And we've had 12 price reductions. So that number has been in the 30s and 40s in the months prior, and now it's down to about 12. So sellers have kind of adjusted, and pricing is really adjusted to the market. So we don't see any more prices really going down much further than they already have. Things are going to kind of remain steady through the next couple months here. And if you're waiting, that is one option. But right now, if you're thinking about new construction, now's the time to buy. Builders are making deals here in this market, and give me a call below, and I'll give you the insider information you might need to make a kind of a steal right now before they open up Glacier Point and the other areas of Tehaleh as the community continues to expand. So I want to go over a few graphs here. I do this kind of every week here, trying to give you some overall perspective. I don't have a crystal ball. No one really does. I don't know what the future is going to hold. Are interest rates going to go down? Yes. Are they going to go down to what they were before? No. How far? I don't know. When? I'm not sure. We all think it's going to be next summer. Is inflation going to continue to go up? I don't know. All I do is study the markets and try to have an educated guess on what's going to happen next. So went to a couple of yearly conferences with some local financial experts, Pat Stone being one of them, with the Seattle Women's Council, or Washington Women's Council rather. And I've got some graphs from him, very insightful, and I'll share a little bit about the macro economics at play here in the real estate market. So without further ado, I'll get rid of this and bring on some graphs here. This is real GDP. GDP, people are looking about, what's going to happen with, is there going to be a recession? He doesn't know. We're all not too sure. We think there's going to be one, but this is one indicator of a recession that we think things are still kind of working themselves out. But we feel that, GDP is kind of moderating. So GDP is one faction of a thing to think about when we're thinking about recession. So it's still a good sign. Things are still growing. Overall, we're past the COVID debacle of the 2020, early 2020, and things are leveling out a little bit with that. Next one is another insightful GDP comparison with indicating that the economy was running pretty strong and hot over the last year or so, and it's still not running as hot, but it's still growing. You can see the top line is the real GDP growth, which is about 1.8% right now, but we're seeing unemployment drop. So those are good signs that things are leveling out a little bit, and that that unemployment rate is the lowest we've seen. Here's another graph showing the unemployment rate we've seen in a long time. So it's still, this is the job growth actually is showing a pretty good healthy increase, staying steady. Unemployment rate at 3.5%. Another good sign or something to consider if you're thinking about buying or selling, just the overall general market. And then this is the inflation rate that's just kind of just a thorn in everybody's side. Everything is going up in price, and this is scaring some people off. So right now, consumer confidence is extremely low. But if you've got a plan, you need to make a move, you need to sell, sit down with some local experts, sit down with your financial advisor, sit down with your lender if you're thinking about buying, sit down with a local agent if you're thinking of buying or selling, and figure out a plan, because it can be done. Houses are selling. And I've been successful this year in the Tehaleh market specifically, in the Bonney Lake market in general, and glad to kind of give you my insights of whether you should wait, if you should buy now. And my advice is always, if you can, you should, but do it in a smart way. Put together a plan and reach out to me, give me a call. I'd love to help you out anywhere I can. Things are tough right now, but at the same time, if you have a plan and a trusted advocates on your side, you can make a good decision and make it happen. And glad to help again any way I can. So give me a call below. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications. Check out my YouTube channel, my Trail Talks in Tehaleh. Give you a real insider's look at what it's like living here, the people who live here, and the businesses in the area. And happy to show you around and give you my insights. Anyway, I'll see you next week, or see you when you get here. See you, Don.